Hey gang, happy holidays to you all. This is a 2013 Honda that drains the battery overnight and sooner. And there's the problem right there. The fans are running for about 20 minutes now, all right? And what we're gonna do is this, carefully open. Then I'm gonna try which relay is up. That's the one. That's the relay. Okay, the fan stopped right away. All right, we're gonna change that relay, see if that saves the day, and take it from there. Thank you.